Hello guys, in this video I will share how to enable or activate developer options on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next you open about phone. Okay, next in MIUI version, you tap 7 times swiftly like this. You are now a developer. Okay, next you back. Next you open additional settings. Okay, now you can see a developer options menu. Okay, next you open. Yup, this is so that your developer mode has been active. In developer menu, you can find many hidden settings, but you must understand its settings before you change it. Because if you change the setting wrong, it can cause problem on your phone. Enjoy setting in developer mode. If you can turn off developer mode, you click this Yup, developer mode on your phone has been turned off. Okay guys, that's all for my tutorial. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.